Hi guys, in this video we are going to show you how to create a custom calculator on your website. In this episode 2, we use the if condition format to calculate some quote. We will go to the first example, one if condition. Before we start, please pay attention to this part to get a better understanding of the process of this video. That is, click on Advanced to see the field ID. Now, step 1, set up fields. Step 2. Write the formula. If invoice is over $5,000, you will receive a 5% discount on total. Otherwise not. Keep the original price. Update and have a preview. Next, we move on to if condition section. Step 1. Set up fields. Step 2. Build the formula. If age under 10 years old, receive a 50% discount total. Over 65 years old, receive a free, and everyone else pay the exact original price. Update and have a look. We have gone through 2 sections. We hope you get more about if condition on Elementor's website. Thank you so much.